Hi, I'm Daniel from liGo.co.uk and this is the Jabra Evolve2 40. The original Evolve line was the most popular headset range on the market, but last year Jabra decided it was time to update them with the brand new Evolve2 series. So let's take a closer look at the Evolve2 40. Jabra have gone back to the drawing board with the Evolve2 40, creating a headset that looks and feels a lot more modern than its direct predecessor. The build quality is excellent. There's a real substance to this headset, meaning it feels nice and robust. As you can see, there's a fair amount of foam padding on the headband, enough to ensure that it's comfortable to wear for long periods of time. I wouldn't say that you forget that you're wearing it, because this is a headset with a fair amount of substance to it. However, it is a pleasure to use for a full day's work. The ear cups are made from memory foam for a snugger fit. Not only does this make the headset more comfortable to wear, but it also blocks out considerably more background noise than its predecessor. Like many modern headsets, the Evolve2 40 has a built-in mute button. But one extra feature that we particularly like is that it automatically mutes the microphone when you lift the boom arm up like so. In practice, this means you never have to worry about whether or not you've actually pressed the button to mute the microphone, so it can help save you from some of those embarrassing slip-ups that we all make from time to time. The last thing to mention on the subject of design is the busy light on the side here. Good if you're on a group call where you're not talking much, as people can still see that you're busy from a glance. Setting up the Evolve2 40 is nice and straightforward. All you need to do is plug it into your computer. There's two versions of this headset, an MS1 and a UC one. The UC version will work with most video calling platforms, while the MS version is also designed to intuitively work with Microsoft Teams. There's also a Teams button on this model, which does different things depending on the context, such as answering a call or bringing the Teams window to the front of your computer. So far, the Evolve2 40 is an impressive headset, but what really matters is the sound quality. After all, that's what you're going to be using it for. Jabra are generally a cut above other brands when it comes to sound, and they've brought that expertise to the Evolve2 range. The Evolve2 40 sounds great for both calls and music, with voices sounding clear and music having a real kick to it. This is a headset that we'd be happy to use day in, day out, which is really all you need to know about it. The sound quality from the Evolve2 40's microphone is excellent as well. There are actually 3 built-in microphones inside the boom arm, each equipped with noise-cancelling technology, which really makes a difference to how clear you sound on a call. One last thing to mention is that this is a corded headset. Some people prefer the freedom of a wireless headset, whereas others prefer a corded model because you don't have to worry about whether or not the battery is charged before you go on a call. This is all down to personal preference really, but if you'd prefer something with all the features of the Evolve2 40 but wireless as well, then check out the Evolve2 65. So there we have it, the Jabra Evolve2 40, an excellent corded headset that's comfortable to wear and has great sound quality. To find out more, or to get your hands on one for yourself, go to ligo.co.uk.